Semeri kwane umwanju muri ndonse sobete na niwendete gutwara umorogoba urumiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cy'abantu ekarango kwari ni SMS magana mayiba ndonete ko yasangiriguriya kakete wika boniye ku rukingo gonye cyenze irianyi moja ziguswamo na busongo no kubori na ikaranso ikende ngoma yina ya ndete watkeme na isko ya Gusii inyorana bakanda kutubwati sensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube na botonyora Ndizi TV News yonya jinga kina boto tweet Ndizi TV News wega karenga lihyano tukira ndikirensa kireta gwetera se number erase screen igora buyora sensemo radio munwe manyaryo nigakoro kwa Auta abugari nyanja manera kwenda kinago chira senjera HP chamo neryogi kondo yokareta go chasole ninje Brighton Makori. Chinsa Ikomi banoni tuja kurwa se county ya Nyamira se bunge ye county yo bono ya nyareke weto muswada abo ku mwaka isikomo wasiri wekibesa se county yo muswada yo nyarde gogo ikiwa se bunge yo nomo raibwa babake ase ebunge yo mindari shell nigo bono bateruna nigo bonsi bakirana ku mwaka isiko ekarba chiri mo wasiri ibina tara korobo korali buya ase county yo muri keto cha mangi na ndrete go tobwatiri roboti urukonde tetra nyora senjera ayubwingi.
Assembly debates the motion for removal by impeachment of Miss Emily Ongaga, member of County Executive Committee, Department of Finance, ICT and Economic Planning. The motion is now open for debate.
County Assembly of Nyamira to start the process of impeaching the CEC member for Finance, Nyamira County, is Emily Ongaga. We've complied although the legal requirements for the motion, and today I'm happy to say that the County Assembly of Nyamira unanimously, both the minority and majority section, as a matter of fact, 33 members of County Assembly out of 35, 2 were absent because of personal engagements they had, and mostly court cases they had in our courts of law today. So they did not attend, but they sent their apologies. But 33 out of 35 members of County Assembly of Nyamira approved, supported the motion to start the process of impeachment for one Emily Ongaga.
TV kumurikira umworoki woyomo yonyoreta magistimi isato nemeronke benatato korwa sensemeri ya nyaribari masnyaribari jache nigobono umwana oyo hanyarire gakonyora masoma ya skuru ya St Mary's Seniors yegotoka se county ya Nakuru bono umwana oyo nigachakira masoma ebene anenekere skuru eyo sobotenene bwe skuru eyo bokora una chovure yo kindo boikero umwana oyo bono yo chakira masoma ya skuru eyo asauch konyora scholarship ye miaka eneka ukwana umworoki woinigare no mogoko manene boigomo director we skuru eyo nanyara ka ukwana negeta sen Ndizi TV.
Majina naitwa Sofia Bosmonikia. Nilifanya mtihani wangu wa darasa la 8 kutoka shule ya Kionganya Primary School. Nilipata alama 323. Nashukuru watu wa nimekaa nje muda mrefu kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa karo ya shule, lakini nashukuru watu wa Ndizi TV kwa kazi mliofanya. Baada ya watu wa Ndizi TV nimepata shule inaitwa St Mary's Junior Girls High School.
She is a little girl who was brought in Ndizi TV the other day, and we gave her a chance. Like she needs to join our school so that she can realize her dream. Bosibori Okemwa is a daughter to Beatrice Mora Okemwa and the late Moses Okemwa Nyairo. We are grateful to have the girl in our school so that we give her a chance in her education. In St. Mary's Junior's Mission, we are targeting the Beaching into Inua Msichana scholarship agenda, in branding our girls with a great future career in the country, by also in St. Mary's, a Genius Mission Girls High School, we also play a significant role in the key events around the education section.
Kiabanyagitari korubingi organization ime gosege kurwa senze ya America nigo bagendera kurwa bobweni osobolingoli bwabo sasomo chanda okanza oyo okorekana sensemo yabo chiborabu abakwana senseme yo nigo bono banyarire bakuboria bamenyi kurwa senseme yugwe sokya irigo korwa bolingoli boborwairo obo ori oratoekane kabatu borwairo obo anyare gakwewa mariogo osanyore obokonyi.
So today we are getting a bunch of women in to be screened, and then our goal is to train your local nurses and medical staff on how to do screening and treatment for cervical cancer. So the outreach is extremely important because without women coming to be screened, we will not be able to do our training, which is the most important part, because then we donate the piece of equipment and you can continue screening and treating your women here without me. So this is really sustainable, and it helps to keep your community very healthy, and most importantly your mothers, your wives, your sisters, your grandmas, so all of your women in this community. So our screening today is very simple, it is painless, and it takes about 5 minutes. And it's very, very private, so you have your own personal tent, you do your screening, and then you will get texted your results. So it is extremely private and pain-free.
Erombe y'abawakiri asinze ya Kenya nigo bono banyarire bagwe soke na komoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza anekero yarakane bunanige kariko basuguma bagwakiri bari bagendete kugambira abande bina asinze ya Kenya baukwana nigo bono bamachiri serikali anekero wetere kyombegeri ya Ndizi ya Kenya riko batkoroboti buna dansa nyumali usomo wakiri dansa nyumali natakere kuri koroboti ase kyombe kibono wakiri nigo baburi serikali eba maskani abo buna wakiri kyana barabo nigo babwatembere memi yabakora asinze ya Kenya.
They came for Willie Kimani when he was pleading for a client, and they eventually killed him. They came for Mr. Steve Mburu. They came for Mr. in Ratemo. They came for Mr. Hamlagat, and they also came for me the other day when I was representing the Mulot Sim Swappers. So what we are saying is, this is not an attack against Mr. Danstan Omari. This is an attack against all the advocates of the High Court of Kenya. And as such, we wish to condemn the said atavistic and antics being instigated by the DCI. And we call upon Mr. Abi Mohammed and Mr. Sang to resign forthwith, failure to which we shall institute mechanisms to remove them from office.
Omugabana we county ya Umabegira diswanga nigagendere no muroberi wo yebo kwene kibina emechi ye town ye yogo semeji county mabe ngo chenwere ekero bagweta sense meyo nago sibye mechi gosiko choro cyabugurwa se Chinsemo awase county kwa kwana nigatene kana kiekerenga abegeti kwene kibina e county ya ngomesere kebochenu.
Na hii si kazi tutafanya leo peke yake, tutafanya kila mwezi mpaka tumalize kazi yetu miaka 10 kutoka sasa.
In Kindu Bay Town, one of our new municipalities in Homa Bay County, championed by Her Excellency the Governor, and our theme for the cleanup is My Waste, My Responsibility. Kindu Bay Town is one of the very old towns in Homa Bay County that are being affected by development due to the attitudes of the people towards waste management. As you can see, there's a lot of indiscriminate dumping, and behind me is an illegal upcapping dump site in Kindu Bay Town. We are appealing to the public to join hands with the county government and the partners who have helped us today. The county government will provide skips for waste collection.
Kurwaze county mabeni odokwenda wikase county Nairobi asebono mugabana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja anyarire gakobeke miroberi yokwene kwena mariogo ngotoka sinyegitari ya senseme ikakwana litukura rero anenekero abaibi babwatu bari kuiba mario kurwa sinyegitari bono nigateruna goikachi kwena kwena sinyegitari chonsi ngotwara kira mariogo nonde bwensura jigotoka na gakoiba mariogo ayugo ikari gatambokero okeri chiko.
This morning, following a tip-off that we received yesterday from the public, we managed to nab 3 individuals who have been part of a syndicate that has been stealing medicine and non-pharmaceutical supplies for our people. I think you all saw that a week ago we flagged off supplies worth 244 million shillings to all the facilities in Nairobi County. These facilities have not had drugs for years. The last time Nairobi had a supply from Kemsa was 2020, and that was because of a long-standing debt of 185 million, where we have come into an agreement. We've already paid around 80 million shillings, and we are sorting that out monthly. And there was a lot of hope when I went across facilities. There was a lot of hope and enthusiasm by the general public, who when they go to our facilities and get treated are then told hakuna dawa, and ununue dawa kule nje. And sometimes you find there's a connection between that chemist and the person who is sending you there. Sometimes, I don't want to accuse people blindly. They have been using ambulances. An ambulance leaves a facility, it is full of drugs.
Kubotekana nekero murai bo mabwasi myuro moja wani Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga nyarthega kwa serikali ya matuko 14 erinde baunchururi obogima bwa Kenya gosigokeya magori nigobono mubunge otigania mburu aburi anyarega kumuboldaira atigane na mangana yokomochia serikali na koye serikali ya Kenya kwanza ribaga gokorera abakenya emeremo anne goikiranchira chiri yalirete abakenya.
Mimi niliingia na chama ya Nopeu, sikuingia na UNDA ama Kenya Kwanza. Niliingia na Nopeu, National Ordinary People Empowerment Union, nikasupport Azimio. Lakini kuingia mbunge nikaamua kufuata ndugu yangu, kwa sababu Kemeru inasema ya kwamba atayekawa mama yako ndio baba yako. Kwa hiyo mimi naambia ndugu yangu Raila Amolo Odinga, hakuna maana ya maandamano. Eti ya kwamba wakati wa Nyayo tuliandamana ukapata uongozi nusu mkate, au kupatia Mmeru au kupatia Mkikuyu. Wakati wa Kibaki tukaandamana ukapata nusu mkate, au kupatia Mkikuyu wala Mmeru. Wakati wa Ruto wa Uhuru tukaandamana ukapata nusu mkate, au kupatia Mmeru wala Mkikuyu. Na wakati huu unataka tuende uwanjani kuandamana. Wewe ita vijana wako waandamane, wita bibi yako aandamane, wita watoto wako waandamane. Wakati umefika bendera ya Mmeru na Mkikuyu na Mwembu isimame. Eti ya kwamba kiongozi wetu katika Meru community, katika Embu, katika Wakikuyu ni Rigathi Gachagua, na hakuna shortcut.
Inspector of Police Chavet Ikomi nigobona nyarire gotogi murai bwense anene ekeratero murai bwense niganderete gusira abanyanyimbo asinze ya Kenya gakuya kwana yuritiko lero ekero murai bwense anyaraka wikera na soko igurinya gitari y'abanyanyimbo ya Kanyonyo ime ye county ya Kitui nigobono Jofet kama debruna nigoba beire bagosirwa no murai bwense na nigoba semeretuna banyanyimbo bachikogendera gosirwa.
Your Excellency, wakati wote unapata nafasi ya kuketi na maofisa wenzangu wa kikosi cha polisi, it is always a morale booster. We have officers, as you are aware, deployed in very difficult areas. Lakini wakisikia umetembelea vile uko na sisi hapa, that gives us energy to discharge our mandates. Your Excellency, umetueleza sisi kama service commanders mambo ya welfare ya our officer. And we always encouraged by the commitment we see in you, especially mambo ya afya. Ni juzi tu umekubali tumepata cover ya sisi zote wana polisi. Leo umekubali kufungua hospitali, the first police hospital. Your Excellency, this is the first police hospital ambayo iko na vitanda 130. Tuko na nyingine kule Nairobi Mbagathi ya vitanda 150. Your Excellency, tumekueleza, tumekutajia kila wakati, issues to do with health is dear to the officers.
Omowasiri bobolendi bwaime kitura kindi kinere na ikirana somo yegoyo asinyagitari iyo ya Kanyonyo yegotoka se county ya Kitui asenerate abuno bolendi mboga ndate gotingiwa asenzeto ya Kenya baigasa togigetambokere kyukyo kwiguru Kenya gitari iyo irajokonya abanyanyimba sensemo yobochen.
Sisi kama Wizara ya Usalama wa Nchi na Utawala wa Taifa tuko na furaha kwa sababu umetupatia ile usaidizi na mwongozo ambao tumetafuta kwako kama kiongozi wa taifa letu, na tunakushukuru umepata muda kuja kuwa nasi hapa leo. Tunajua majukumu yako ni mengi na mahitaji ni mengi, idara nyingi na taasisi za taifa letu la Kenya zinakuhitaji. We thank you, Your Excellency, for gracing this occasion and for supporting us in the Ministry of Interior and National Administration as our President and Commander-in-Chief. Mheshimiwa Rais, kitu ya pili, hospitali ambayo umeifungua leo ni hospitali ambayo imejengwa kwa takriban shilingi milioni 100 ambayo ni mchango wa ile kiti ya maafisa wetu, welfare kiti ya maafisa wetu, and I really want to thank them for the contribution of this facility. Na vile vile serikali imetusaidia na equipment ya about 250 million ambayo umeona wewe mwenyewe.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto inero ikirana sogo cha kinyagitari iyo nere niganyarega go mojibali bakomocha umuroberi wa Sera Fund kolengana ne nigatogia umuroberi w'inyagitari iyo nene karabanya nyimbo babeire bakoja chishiringi 50 gose chishiringi 50 igicheirira obwagaji w'inyagitari turaigwa na kimurai bwense nyara kaukwana.
I was very pleasantly surprised when the DIG told me that the construction of this hospital was done by money collected on the welfare scheme of officers in the police force. I want to say to all the officers who contribute, I am told 50 shillings. And it is a confirmation of what 50 shillings can do. It is quite a learning curve that 50 shillings can build a 100 million shilling hospital. Nilikuwa nasikia watu wengine wakisema ya kwamba shilingi 500, 1000, 2000, 5000 inapatiana kwa Hustler Fund ni pesa kidogo. Mimi nataka sasa niwaulize kama wakipata nafasi wakuje hapa Kanyonyo waone hospitali ya shilingi milioni 100.
Ayibono nararenga ye Chinsa Ikomi konde nyona gikoragense ya muyabono marababa nojikanyora yo mona mange bandate gwatega imena iskia Gusii krabali kibeto bandate ko yarigania gikoragense ya bono ojiko yarete na ifrino zero asinjira yobukaran ko taina genda kubati merubete and district ne robon sumausi ekiagere regisa senni getangani gekoratere morobelio asumurubeke usi asichinsa emeronkebere nainye matuko 5 abere wiki amo no mwako mugima gogwakera nambe mane karwacho ran district ne robon sumausi werenga sense mirimo rumenyerero nigakorwa Auta abgari nyanja manero na kibina maliogine chibichago jira senjira bene Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.